Justice Schumacher and Jennifer Roselle join me. They are with Hunter Estate and Elder Law. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks again for having us.
Okay, I'll be honest with you. I had no idea that May was Elder Law Month, and the only thing I know about my elders is that I'm supposed to respect them. So what do we need to know about the month that's coming?
First of all, I think you're right in the idea of respecting. Let's start there. But as far as the month of May is concerned, really it's to keep it top of mind that there are certain things that can be done to help our elderly population to make sure that they have their estates kind of put in place and planned out, and that there are certain things that can be done to help protect them and protect their legacy plan so that, if they have unexpected expenses such as long-term care costs and those types of things, that there's certain avenues you can navigate, and we can help you with that to make sure that they're well taken care of.
This falls under the category of things nobody really wants to talk about, but it necessarily has to be talked about, right?
You're exactly right. Yeah. Nobody loves to just talk about, hey, let's think about planning my estate. Who knows? Nobody wants to do those things. We'd rather talk about when we can get back out and do some things and go back to normal life and maybe have a sunny day. Unlike today, I keep looking out the window over here and see the raining that's out there. But,
Does the red wagon serve a purpose, or is that just a table decor?
Oh, it's just for fun.
We just like to have fun. No, the red wagon is kind of an analogy. We think of the red wagon, we're going through life, pulling our wagon down the road, and there are certain things, if we're thinking of a wagon as maybe a trust plan, the idea of certain things I want to put various assets. I've got my blocks here. When we're bored, we like to play with blocks around here, I guess. But as far as that goes, certain assets, maybe my bank account, maybe my house, various things that I'm going to put in the wagon, so to speak, so that if something happens to me and I need somebody else to take over pulling the wagon, it's already there. It's already all in one spot and easy to manage and easy to take care of.
That makes sense. I love that. That's a great analogy. Now, my father is an estate planner, so I know his little red wagon is filled with the proper stuff. But I'm curious. I have a son who's 18 and a high school senior, and we're going through some, again, unprecedented times with what's happening with the world and the pandemic. So what should I, as a parent, be thinking about since he's going to actually legally pass into adulthood?
Yeah, so a lot of people, very much focus on their own estates, and they forget to sort of look around. A lot of people naturally look at their parents or their grandparents, but consider the possibility that you need to look below and look at the children in our lives, or the grandchildren even, that once they attain the age of 18, in Indiana, they're considered an adult. And in the event of some sort of, tragic situation occurring, such as a car accident or, falling downstairs, something like that, because they're 18 years old, they need to have sort of these very basic documents called, a power of attorney, a healthcare proxy, a healthcare power of attorney, because once they turn the age of 18, so long are the days that parents legally have the authority to work on their behalf. So while it's often, and especially with next month being Elder Law Month, it's easy to focus on the aging seniors, but let's not forget about the aging seniors, the seniors of high school, the seniors of college that are of that young age and could need these documents as well.
Well, I think there's a reason I'm supposed to be doing this interview, because I've got two of those. I've got an upperclassman in college and a senior in high school. So one thing we've watched on Indy Style is how different businesses have managed to get creative, and we use this word a lot, pivot how they do business in order to stay open and still be helpful to clients and the other relationships that they have. How are you guys doing that?
Well, thankfully, Governor Holcomb's order considers
and our state Supreme Court. Both,
they've considered legal services to be essential. And so while the normal environment usually is that we are meeting in person around this conference room table, we have pivoted and we are doing all of our meetings conducted via video conferencing, or if you're a little hesitant or scared of technology, we can do those telephonically as well.
Awesome. That's great. Where can we go to get more information?
Sure. Check us out on our website, www.hunterlawoffice.net. Give us a call, 317-863-2030. We're still doing workshops that are open to the public. We're doing them virtually, but we're doing those kind of things. And as Jenny mentioned, we're still able to accommodate meetings and take care of clients that way as well. Just a little different format, but it's still working just fine. Once people kind of get used to it, they say, hey, this is kind of nice. I can be at home drinking my coffee and my PJs and meet with my attorney at the same time. So it's actually, we've had some people say, hey, this works out really well.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Justin, Jennifer, thank you so much for your time and your expertise. We'll put that information on indystyle.tv.
Thank you.
Thank you.